What is up, guys? I am back.
And today, we are currently headed to my uncle's shop because that's where we're gonna be installing the coilovers. And my uncle told me he'll help me out at the shop. So that's why we're headed to the shop today. So today I'm actually planning on lowering the car more. I don't know if my dad's gonna be happy about this, or my grandma, or my aunt. Yeah, but we're gonna be doing it. We're not gonna be like lowering it all the way like slammed. It's just gonna be a lot lower than what I have right now. So we're just gonna be like, you know, just lowering it close enough to the rim. I know I'm gonna, you know, scrape a lot, but might as well just like, you know, drop it, right? So we're gonna start installing the coilovers now. So let's get it. So I just took out the shock. It was pretty hard to take out. And then now we're gonna install this. So we've only done the left rear part. That took like 30 minutes or an hour. This is good. Okay, I just put the bolt back on. What's the right side that I need to take out? Now we're gonna install this. Tatanggalin pa po yung rubber. Oh, but so we got the right side on. Now I'm just tightening it up. Oh wait, I shouldn't tighten it up first because I need to put the spring. Oh shoot. Hold on, let me get the spring. Dito? Yung spring. Ha? Ito? Uy, hindi pa pala natin na natin. Kaya nga po eh. Ano ba yan? Right, so we put in the missing spring and now I'm just tightening it up. This is the right side, and we got the left side ready, and now we're gonna do the fronts. The wheel in the back, the right side, and now my Nino's helping me install this left side. So we're gonna drop it now. Kabila. What is this? Oh my gosh. So that's the height right now. Super high, pretty high, but it hasn't settled down yet. And then we're gonna drop it somewhere. It took like 2 hours. Damn.